Hello guys and welcome back. Today we're gonna see comparison between Bitvavo and Kraken. We're gonna see these two popular crypto exchanges, which one offers best features, fees, and security. Let's dive in. Firstly, Bitvavo, it was founded in 2018 based on the Netherlands and primarily available in Europe. It offers 50 plus cryptocurrencies including popular ones like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. It's known for its low trading fees starting at 0.25%. Its user-friendly interface is ideal for beginners, and advanced features like staking, recurring buys, and an API for developers. It supports SEPA transfers, which is great for European users, so it is best for traders looking for low fees and beginner-friendly platform. When it comes to Kraken, it was founded in 2011, based in San Francisco and available globally. It offers 200 plus cryptocurrencies and a wide range of trading pairs, known for its strong security including 2FA, cold storage, and regular audits. It offers spot trading, margin trading, and features. It provides advanced trading features like stop loss, orders, and staking. When it comes to fees, it has low ones compared to Coinbase, but slightly higher than Bitvavo for certain traders. It is best for experienced traders who want a wider variety of cryptocurrencies and advanced trading option. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.